Now children, discussion of some questions which are based on type of hybrid addition, type of chemical bond, whether sigma bonds are present or sigma and pi bonds are present, right? And total number of chemical bonds. Total means sigma and pi. Now first question, how many sigma and pi bonds are present in each of the following molecules? Okay. For complete counting of each type of chemical bond, first of all children write complete bonding structure. This is not complete bonding structure, right? You know what is given here in this set? HC triple bond C, CH double bond CH, CH3. How many sigma and pi bonds are present in each of the following? Now, first of all write complete bonding structure. HC is okay, triple bond is okay, C, second carbon, third carbon, then fourth carbon and fifth carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 carbon atoms are present. One set of triple bond and then one set of double bond. Okay children, how many sigma and pi bonds are present? Single bonded system is always sigma bond. When only one bond is present, that is sigma bond. Two bonds are present, one is sigma and second is pi. Now this is sigma bond, right? Pi bond and middle bond is sigma. Single sigma, pi, sigma bond, single bonded system is sigma, right? How many sigma? How many sigma means sigma between carbon and hydrogen, right? Now children, first number of sigma bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sigma bonds. How many? 10 sigma bonds are present. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Then pi bonds. Pi bond means unsaturation. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 pi bonds are present. Right? Pi bonds. What is its number? 3. Right? In this compound. Second, CH2. CH2. Like this. Double bond. C. Double bond. C. 1, 2. This third carbon. This one is hydrogen. Then C, H, H and H. Okay children, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 double bonds, 1 single bond. Hydrogen is attached with carbon, 1 single bond and CH3. And count total number of sigma bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In this compound, 9 sigma bonds. Or you can write sigma bonds is equal to 9 bonds. Total number. Pi bond, double bonded means pi and second. 2 pi bonds are present. Right? In first compound, total sigma bonds. Number of sigma bond is 10. In first compound, 10 sigma bond. This is sigma. Okay, children? This is sigma. And pi bonds. 3. And second, 9 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds. You can highlight like this. What is the type of hybrid addition of each carbon in the following compounds? First of all, write bonding structure. Whether only single bonds are present, double bond is also present, triple bond. then you can identify correct type of hybrid addition. Right? First compound is CH3Cl. Answer of second question, CH3Cl. What is its type? This carbon is sp3 hybridized. Carbon single bond. This carbon is sp3. Identify the type of hybrid addition. This carbon is sp3 hybridized. Hybrid addition in each carbon containing. Second is condensed formula CH3 whole twice. CH3 whole twice means two CH3 groups are present like this. C double bond O. Right? Children, this is propanol 2 or acetone. Right? This carbon single bonded carbon. CH3 it means carbon is forming single bonds. Total only single bonds are present. This carbon is sp3 hybridized. This carbon is also sp3 hybridized, but this carbon is forming double bonds with oxygen. Third carbon is sp2 hybridized. Okay children? For identification of type of hybrid addition. Third is cyanomethyl or ethyl nitride. Complete structure of third compound. CH and C triple bond N. Cn group it means C triple bond N. Single bonded carbon is sp3 hybridized and triple bonded carbon is sp hybridized. Right? Shape is linear. Just verifying correct or not. CH3Cl. What is the type of hybridization of each carbon in the following compound? CH3Cl, sp3 is okay. CH3 whole twice. Right? CH3, sp3, CH3, sp3. Correct? And this C is sp2. S-T3 like this. To avoid any confusion. Right children? And third one is CH3Cl. This carbon is sp3 hybridized and triple bonded carbon is sp. Now last one. What is the shape of the following compounds? First compound. Children, geometry or shape of any compound depends on the type of hybrid addition. First of all, identify the type of hybrid addition of carbon. Carbon is double bonded. This carbon is sp2. Carbon single bonded. This carbon is sp3. Carbon triply bonded. This carbon is sp. Right? Then final answer. sp2 hybridized carbon is, what is its geometry? Trigonal planar. Third question, third answer of third question. In CH2, C double bond O, H2C. This is sp2 hybridized and shape is trigonal planar. Right? Carbon is sp2 hybridized. Carbon is central atom is carbon. sp2 hybridized and shape is trigonal planar. Second is fluoromethyl or methyl fluoride. Carbon is sp3 hybridized. Its shape is tetrahedron. Second example, CH3F. Carbon is sp3 hybridized. Its shape is tetrahedral. Right? Geometry is fixed. Last one, HCl. In HCl, carbon is sp hybridized. Its shape is linear. Okay, children? HCl. This carbon is sp hybridized its geometry is linear. Bond angle is fixed. Right, in tetrahedral shape, bond angle of sp3 hybridized carbon, its shape is tetrahedral and bond angle is 109 degree 28 minute. When carbon is sp2 hybridized, then what is its geometry? Trigonal, planar, and bond angle is of 120 degree. When carbon is sp hybridized, then geometry is linear and bond angle is of 180 degree. Right, children? Relationship between hybridization and geometry. Then second part, relationship between geometry or shape and bond angle.